Croeso I Gwersi Gwirion Mock's Mad Lessons. This lesson is to help you get ready for your exams. The objective for this lesson is to help you to write using a variety of sentence patterns. You will need to do this to get maximum marks on question 2 of Unit 1 Foundation. Bantanite. This is an example from 2014. And first of all, you need to note here the question, and secondly, here the assessment mark scheme. The mark scheme tells us that we only need to write 5 sentences, and then we also have 5 additional marks for the accuracy of the sentence, giving us a maximum of 10 marks. But it's important to remember that you only need to write 5 sentences. You can write them all in the one box, or you can spread them across the 2 boxes. Either way is fine. But you must write in different sentence patterns, and that's the focus of this lesson. Next, we need to take a note of the topics that we can write about. In the first box, you can see clearly that we have the area, and in the second box, we have pop singing. It also says that we need to talk about the things that we like and don't like, and give a reason why. This is true of both boxes. However, the second box asks us to talk about our favourite also. Here. So that gives us an opportunity to use a different sentence pattern if we're struggling with the first box. The question asks us to write about the area. So let's look at a simple sentence pattern we can use. You should be familiar with the sentence pattern rydw i'n hoffi, and I have added byw yng Nghaerffili here to relate it back to the topic. Rydw i'n hoffi byw yng Nghaerffili, and that's our simple sentence pattern. Here is our second sentence pattern. Notice that it is identical to the first one, except this time I have added achos mae'n wych because it's great, which is an example of a sentence pattern using a connective. And it also means we have expressed an opinion, which we have been asked to do in the question. For my third sentence pattern, I am now going to use a negative form. Here it is. Dydw I ddim yn hoffi mynd i'r ysgol. I don't like going to school. Mynd i'r ysgol is suitable because it is a facility in the area. So dydw I ddim yn hoffi mynd i'r ysgol is an example of a negative pattern. For our fourth sentence pattern, we're going to use a sentence pattern for saying our favourite things. Have a look. Fy hoff siop ydy game. Fy hoff siop ydy game. Game is my favourite shop. This is a different type of sentence pattern, so again it will get us the marks that we're looking for. And here is our final sentence pattern. This sentence pattern includes a third person form, so it is different, and again will get us the marks we're looking for. My shop game yn fendigedig. Game is fantastic. So now we are ready to show you what a good answer looks like. Dyma ni te. This is what a good answer looks like for this question. We have 5 different sentence patterns. We have expressed opinions, and there are no issues with spelling, punctuation, or grammar. So for this question, this would be marked 10 out of 10. For more ideas on revising for your Welsh exams, check out the blog, follow on Twitter, or use our exams hashtag. Diolch yn fawr.